So today we're going to be talking about HelloFresh, the #1 meal kit delivery service. So what is HelloFresh? HelloFresh is a meal delivery service that ships ingredients of your pre-selected meal plan directly to your door so you can prepare healthy meals every week for you and your family. HelloFresh was designed to deliver you healthy ingredients so you can quickly and easily cook delicious and nutritious homemade meals without all the hassle of planning, shopping, and prepping. So the history of HelloFresh. So the HelloFresh company is based in Berlin, Germany, and it is the largest meal kit provider in the United States and also has operations in Canada, Western Europe, New Zealand, Sweden, and Australia. So it was founded in 2011 by Dominic Richter, Thomas Greisel, and Jessica Nilsson, and they packed and hand delivered the meals to the first 10 customers. So here's a picture of them right here, actually. So the benefits of using HelloFresh. If you are someone who doesn't have time for grocery shopping or would rather get groceries delivered to you, HelloFresh is the perfect way to save you time and stress when it comes to cooking. Their packaging is sustainable and recyclable, so you don't have to worry because there's no unnecessary waste with HelloFresh. So how to get started? So there's actually a separate website for Canada and a separate website for the United States. So you would choose the link that's for you. So if you're in Canada, you would choose the Canada link. And if you're in the United States, you would choose the United States link. So when you open that webpage, you'll see this button called click up to $120 to save. So you just click that button and then you can choose your plan size. So so you can choose your family size and how many recipes you would like per week. And you'll be able to see a price summary based on your selections and make alterations. And so you can click select this plan to continue. So you can see here, you can choose the number of people and the recipes you want per week. And that changes the total fee of your first box, and you can personalize your plan. So the American website is slightly different because you are able to choose your preferences and customize your plan at the same time. Also, they have more options like Calorie Smart and Pescatarian. So you can choose your preferences. So if you eat meat and veggies or just veggies, you can choose one. And they have other options you can choose. Customize your plan. You can choose the number of people you want the meal for and how many times you want and how many times per week you want a meal delivered. So as I was saying before, you can choose the number of people. They have 2 or 4 people. You can choose the number of recipes per week. So it can either be 3 or 4 recipes a week. So on the American website has a bit more options. Like you can choose to get 2 meals per week, and there's obviously a price difference because of the currency. So the difference here is that you can choose. So in the Canada website, if I can go back, they only allow you to choose 3 or 4 recipes a week. But in the American website, you can choose 2, 3, or 4 recipes a week, and there's a price difference. So you'll be required to register for an account in order to continue. So that means you have to use like an email account or a Facebook account or an Apple account to continue. Then this is where you put your address and instructions on how you want it to be delivered. So you just put your information so they can ship all of the ingredients for you and the recipes. And so you also have to add your method of payment. So that can be PayPal, credit card. It can be whatever they offer. And then you can finally choose your meals after checkout. So you can choose whatever meals you want to eat. And then they actually have some COVID-19 updates. So you can find those in the homepage at the top left. So some of the COVID-19 updates So one question would be, how do they guarantee hygienic packaging and transportation of food? So their response was the safety and quality of product and customers' well-being is the highest priority, and they wouldn't do anything to put this at risk. Therefore, they have a very strict food safety. They have very strict food safety checks in place to ensure that the customer only receives the best ingredients. So another question people ask was, how have they changed their health and hygiene processes since the outbreak? What are they doing to prevent it from spreading? So the response was, in addition to the already very high health and safety standards, they have implemented a number of extra health and safety measures to ensure that everyone stays healthy, relying on the most up-to-date recommendations on how to protect oneself and others based off the World Health Organization to their employees, including their drivers. So to view the recipes, so you would have to go on the homepage, and at the top, you were able to view the menu for that week by hovering over the button that says Our Recipes and clicking on the menu button. So when you click on the menu, it'll show you recipes for that week. So yeah, this is on the homepage at the top. Uh, on the homepage at the top, you were able to view all of the recipes offered by hovering over Our Recipes and clicking on Cookbook. So in the cookbook section, you can search for recipes that you like, and you can choose from world cuisines, and there are also many more options. So if you scroll down a bit, you can find the most popular recipes that other people have rated and tried. So those are the top recipes of all time that people liked. So you can try them for yourself. And they also have some quick dinner ideas. So these are just easy recipes that are easy to follow and simple to prepare. So they give you a bunch of options. And so you can also see like spicy recipes if you want to have something spicy or just something easy to make. So they also have easy recipes. And so yeah, let me do the live demo of HelloFresh now. All right, cool. So this is this is the HelloFresh website right here. So going back to example, talking about the cookbook and on the menu. So right now on the menu won't work for me because I haven't signed up for anything. But let me just go on the cookbook and okay, yeah, it's loading. Yeah, I think the website has just been really slow recently. But yeah, so I have once you get on the cookbook place, you can actually first they have a search bar, so you can search for whatever you want. But they also have here recipes from around the world. So if I want to say, let's say I want to do uh, a Cuban recipe. If I want to look at Cuban recipes, I would just hit Cuban recipes, and it would show me all the Cuban recipes that they have. So let's say I wanted to make some Cuban pork. So I would just click Cuban pork, and they show you. So they tell you the preparation time, so 30 minutes, and they also tell you the difficulty of cooking it. So they say it's easy. So here they actually show you all the things that. So if you're allergic to, let's say, sulfites and sulfite, you probably shouldn't eat this since it, the food this was produced in a facility that processes milk, sesame, eggs, fish, shellfish. So this is just a warning for you. If you have any allergies, you should probably look out here just to make sure that you can eat it or not. And so they also show you ingredients that they send you if you order this, if you pay for this on the HelloFresh website. So these are all the ingredients they're going to send you. And you can actually see how much they send you if you change your serving amount. So let's say I actually am making it for 4 people, then I would actually have, 680 grams of sweet potato compared to 340. And they actually, on the side here, you can see the nutrition value. So per serving, it shows you, the calories of the meal, the fat, the saturated fat. It shows you all that kind of stuff. And they also show you ingredients that are not included in your delivery. So in this case, it's only oil. And they also tell you the utensils that you need to make this meal. So you need a baking sheet, strainer, zester, wedge bowl, and nonstick pan. So, and then here it shows you it's just a recipe on how to make it. So they also include pictures to help guide you through it. And so at the bottom of the recipe, they also show you other meals that you might enjoy that are other people liked that are similar to this. So if I go back to the recipes, the cookbook, so the website is a little bit slow today. All right, yeah. So they have all the most popular recipes here. So these are the top rated dishes of all time, and they have quick dinner ideas, spicy recipes, easy recipes, and they have just even more recommendations for you. So that's that. And let me show you so they also have plans so you can so this is selecting a plan. So let's say you do want to buy it. So let's say I want to order it for two people and have three recipes sent to me per week. So it would be 82.99. And you can also select the kind of recipes that you like. So let's say I like high protein meals. And then this is just if you have a promo code. And these are just some of the reviews that they have. So if I hit select this plan, then I'm gonna have to register for an account and then put in all my information. But I'm not gonna do that since I'm not gonna be buying from HelloFresh. But that's the that's the end of the live demo.